Here I've got Doogee S55 Lite, and let me show you how to grab a screen on the following device. So at first, let's open some screen that we would like to capture. It can be calendar, and if you would like to show someone your plans for August, simply tap on power key and volume down key, hold both keys all together for about 3 seconds, and then click on OK to complete the save. And here it is. You've just take a screenshot of this display. And now let's go to the second method. Just make sure that it's active in your device. So at first, let's open the list of all applications, go to the settings, pick gesture motion, select system motion, and here it is. So 3-point screenshot should be ticked. And from now on, you will be able to grab a screen with your 3 fingers. So let me show you. Let's open, for example, messages. And if you would like to share the screen with someone, simply slide down with your 3 fingers, click on OK, and that's it. You just took the screen. So now let's open the gallery. So at first, go to the all apps, find photos, go to the screenshots album, which is here, and here they are, both screenshots. Now you can share it with your friends, edit it, delete it, or do whatever you want to with them. So that will be all. This is how you can grab a screen in your Doogee. Enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.